Ma'am, I have to read. Hello.
Hello.
Now, yesterday we have completed Wellesley and Dalhousie policy. Yes, in between one was the topic that was expansion of the British rule in India. So now we will be starting with expansion of the British rule in India. After subsidiary alliance system, yes, forcefully some of the states have to follow the subsidiary alliance system. Yes, first was signed by Nizam of Hyderabad, then Mysore, then by Maratha chieftains. Okay, yes, they have within the span of 7 years they have done it. Now, now, British moved to which part, that is northern part of India, where British moved to the northern part of India. Then they entered into Treaty of Friendship. Now they have done friendship with Nepal. Yes. Then they have fought many battles with the frontiers. With the frontiers, how many battles they have fought? They have fought many battles. Why they have fought many battles? Because they want Nepal Gurkhas. Nepal Gurkhas to be with British Army. Yes, yes. Boys, are you listening? Then
Yes,
after
yes, ma'am.
Britishers have done friendly relationship with Sikh king, that is Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Now he want to rule, he want to establish the rule on Sindh. But Maharaja Ranjit Singh was the powerful king, so that he has not given his kingdom till he was alive. After his death, then also he has made his relationship nice. Yes. After that, he has after he was dead. Okay. After his death. After his death, now Punjab was suffering anarchy. Punjab was suffering anarchy. Yes, anarchy means what? That
आपकी आवाज थोड़ी बहुत ज्यादा
without anarchy means what?
हेलो
Without.
नमस्कार बात करती बहुत
Who is this speaking Gujarati in between?
बहुत ज्यादा
Who is speaking Gujarati over here? So what is anarchy? Anarchy means what? That without the government, the state was ruled. Yes, at that time, Governor General, that is Sir Henry was came to India and started ruling over Sikh. So this way they have started ruling over. This way they have started ruling over whom Sikh people, that is Punjab. Clear this much expansion of the British rule. So this way they have
yes
expanded their British rule in India. Now next is Dalhousie's policy of annexation. Yesterday also we have learned. Today again I will taught you. What is Dalhousie policy of annexation? After the Wellesley policy, Dalhousie policy, that is that when son is dead, yes, when son is died, when king is dead without his son, they don't have to rule. Yes, who will rule? Britishers will be ruling over here. Okay. So what happened? Now Maharaja Ranjit Singh was dead. So Punjab was suffering anarchy. Sorry, anarchy. So what happened? The problems which are internal and external. In that also Britishers were involving in that problems. Yes. Then after they have captured Burma, then regions of Punjab. Why? Because without a son, the king was dead. Then after they have this way only This way only they have uh, this way they have started ruling in Satara, Jhansi, Nagpur. Yes, and this way the policy of annexation was started. Then after what happened? With the now they were ruling on the sum of the parts. Yes, as they were ruling on the sum of the parts, Dalhousie aimed that Britishers are earning huge profits. Where they are earning huge profits, that is in the trade of tea, coffee, cotton. Yes, by capturing the areas. Okay, and huge commodities also they are getting in a on a large scale. Clear? Then after they have smoothly started, Dalhousie has smoothly started first railway line between Mumbai and Thane in 1853 CE. Then after postal system was started in India, wireless system between India and England was started. Yes. Then he has passed laws to ban child marriage and widow remarriage. Yes. English education was spread at that time. Then three universities were made. That is Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata in 1857 C. So this way, Indians were benefited also, and they have suffered a lot with the introduction of British reforms. Clear Dalhousie policy of annexation.
Yes.
Who has not understood?
Who understood?
Everything. Expansion of the British rule.
Yes.
Okay, who will read?
I read.
Okay, and read slowly.
Okay, ma'am. Expansion of the British rule in India. After finalizing the subsidiary alliance treaties with Mysore, Nizam of Hyderabad and Maratha chieftains, the British moved towards the northern part of India. They entered into a treaty of friendship with Nepal, sensing a threat from it. They fought many battles to secure the frontiers. Friendly relations with the Sikh king Maharaja Ranjit Singh helped them to win the battle with the Afghans and establish their role in Sindh. The British had an ambition to capture the Sikh kingdom, which was a very powerful kingdom, but they could not do so as long as Maharaja Ranjit Singh was alive.
So after Wellesley subsidiary alliance system, Nizam of Hyderabad, Mysore all were captured. Now they went to the which part, that is north part. They have fought a many battles with Nepal. Why? For the Gurkhas that they wanted them to join British army, but they were not joining. Then after Maharaja Ranjit Singh helped them to win the battle with the Afghans. Yes, and establish where they have established their rule in Sindh. Then after they have a friendly relationship with Maharaja Ranjit Singh, and they want to capture also a Sikh kingdom, but as Maharaja Ranjit Singh was powerful king, so he has not allowed them to capture. Then also they have kept friendly relationship with Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Next.
So they kept friendly relations with Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Ranjit Singh was a strong ruler of that time and he had
Sorry.
set up a strong army with the help of European officers of the protection of his state. He had attained victories over many nearby states. After his death, Punjab suffered
Energy.
anarchy. anarchy. Governor General Sir Henry Hadrian's came to India and brought the Sikh rule completely under the British rule with policy of interference and extension.
Okay. So after they have kept friendly relationship with Maharaja Ranjit Singh was a strong ruler at that time. Yes, they have set up a strong army to have European officers as well. But after his death, so Punjab has suffered anarchy, means without the government Punjab was ruler. At that time, Governor General Sir Henry came to India and started ruling over Sikh, that is in Punjab. Clear?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
Dalhousi's policy of
Yes.
annexation.
Dalhousie's policy of extension. The aim of Wellesley's policy of extension was to enslave the native kingdoms without using much of the British resources. Instead, they accepted the subsidiary alliance
I have
combining the
told you to
British
speak
with the
slowly,
French.
otherwise you don't do.
What, ma'am?
Speak slowly.
Can I read?
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. The aim of Wellesley's policy of expansion.
Who want to read?
Ma'am, I read.
Ma'am, any people.
Yes. Start. Start beta. Okay, Sahi, continue.
Okay, ma'am. The aim of Wellesley's policy of expansion was to enslave the native kingdoms without using much of the British resources. Instead, they accepted the subsidiary alliance, considered the British as their friends. Eventually, in the absence of internal and external threats, they became irresponsible, and the administration started deteriorating. The outcome of the conspiracies of the British was the anarchy in many princely states. The Indian rulers got trapped in it.
Yes. So what happened? After the Wellesley policy, now annexation policy started. They were interfering in internal and external, uh, internal and external. Wait a second. They were interfering in internal and external both matters. Yes, in administrations. So Indian rulers were getting trapped. Next, start Sahil.
Yes, ma'am. Conspiring conspiracy of the British was the anarchy in many princely states. The Indian rulers got trapped in it. The British got an excuse to start interfering into the internal affairs of each state on the pretext of putting an end to the anarchy. They annexed many states under the same excuse. Thereafter, Burma and regions of Punjab were also annexed if the king died without a son. His state, uh, the state was annexed in this way. Satara, Jhansi, Nagpur, etc. became the victims of policy of extension.
Yes. So this way they have British got an excuse that they were interfering in internal affairs. Yeah, putting an end to anarchy. Then they annexed many states. That is, first of all, Burma was annexed. Then Punjab, because king was dead without a son. Then they have started this way, Satara, Jhansi, Nagpur, and became the victims of policy of annexation. Next,
Dalhousie aimed at helping the British traders to make huge profits from the trade of tea, coffee, and cotton by capturing the areas that produce these commodities on a large scale. To consolidate the British rule in India and to run the administration smoothly, many changes were introduced by Dalhousie in India. During this, during his tenure, the first line was started between Mumbai and Thane. The modern postal system started in India and wireless system between India and England too was introduced during the tenure. He passed laws to ban child marriage and avoid widow remarriage. English education spread in India during this time. The first three universities in India were established in Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata in the year 1857 CE. Thus, these reforms were basically of the expansion of British rule and age in administration. Although Indians benefited later on, they had to suffer a lot with the introduction of British reform.
ત્યારે 10 મિનિટ પહેલા જ અમને તો કદાચ ભૂલી ગયા છે આ કન્ટિન્યુ કરવાનું હું નહીં લીધું
Okay. So Dalhousie was, sorry, at that time of Dalhousie, they were earning huge profit, yes? As they were earning huge profit, yes, from which the trade of tea, coffee, and cotton, yes, by capturing the areas on the large scale. So this way, the British rule in India started running administrations smoothly. Okay, first railway line was started between Mumbai and Thane. Yes, then postal system was started and wireless system was started between India and England. Okay, they have passed the laws to ban child marriage and advocate marriage. And then English education was spread. Now next, three universities were started in Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. Yes, and this way the administration of Britishers was expanded. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Now dissatisfaction of people. So after the policy of subsidiary alliance system, Delhousie policy of annexation, they have started huge terrible, yes. Now this result in dissatisfaction. Some of the you must have seen the film Kranti and Mangal Pandey. If you have not seen, okay, then it's okay. At that time, in that movie, it is shown that how people were suppressed under the rule of Britishers. Yes. In addition to this, they have started fuel of fire. Now fightings were started inside, means with the people of India also. Different people were reacting differently in railways, then facility of post, and this all things were started. Orthodox people, those Orthodox people wanted British to destroy their culture. Yes, so this were basically the administration was it was running smoothly, but people were reached to the point that they have resulted. Due to this, they were came into the revolt of 1857. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, who will read? Sufyan.
Dissatisfaction of people. After the policy of subsidiary alliance, Dalhousie's policy of extension shook the whole nation terrible. The result in dissatisfaction amongst the people towards the British. You must have seen the film Kranti and Pandey. If you have not seen, then try and see these movies. At this time, the people were suppressed under the under the dictatorial regime of the British. In addition to that, the reforms made by Dalhousie add fuel to the fire. Um, Different people reacted differently to railroads, facilities of post and telegraph, and Western education. Orthodox people felt that the British wanted to destroy their culture. The reforms done by the British were basically for running the administration smoothly. The dissatisfaction of people that reached a point of saturation and they were in the state of rebellion which resulted in the freedom movement of 1857.
So this was the people with this Pakistan, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so over here, chapter is completing whole chapter. You are clear that how they have extended the British rule in India.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Whole chapter clear, beta. First, you were in introduction class. You were having had what is that how people take advantage of it. This way, the Britishers came for just credit. Now they have started ruling over our India. Yes, yes, no. Now, as they started ruling, then Wellesley policy was given that a subsidiary and Dalhousie and they have expanded ruling over India. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Now, any doubt?
No.
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, clear. Yes.
ಇದನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನ
Okay.
તમારા પર્સનલ તમારું પર્સનલ જાણીને
You want to revise this chapter or is it okay?
Revive.
You want to revise the
We
chapter?
have to revive. I want to revise this.
Okay, so in this chapter, that's first in introduction part you are having that how they came to India. Okay, then how at that time Wellesley was Governor General. At that time England and France both were want to expand their rule. Competition was held, but France failed and England succeeded. So Wellesley was given a new plan that is subsidiary system. In that system, who will be present over here? British Army and British representative both will be in the present in the royal court. Yes? Yes. Say yes or no. Now, then after they were
Yes.
first they felt secure. Yeah. Sorry. As they felt secure. Now what happened? They wanted to start to rule. That is that they want to rule in the all princely states. Yes. So first Nizam of Hyderabad has accepted the Wellesley's that is subsidiary alliance system and Mysore and Ayodhya, Tanjore and Karnataka. But Marathas have fought. They don't want to accept the Sanskrit. As the Marathas have fought, Nizam in this fight was lost. Okay, then also then forcefully they have to accept subsidiary alliance system. Then also Tipu Sultan has refused that they will not accept. So fourth Anglo-Mysore war was happened. Yes, at that time also they wanted to become a subsidiary state. Then after Maratha chief also fought himself at that time after the death of Nana Fadnavis. Yes, after his death, divide and rule policy was started by British, and this way the other states also has to accept subsidiary alliance system. And with the span of 7 years, Wellesley expanded the company rule and made the British the supreme power in India. Then expansion of the British rule. After the states has accepted the subsidiary alliance system, they went to the northern part and made a treaty of friendship. Then after with the friendly relationship, they have fought many battles. Why they have fought many battles? Because they wanted their Gurkhas to accept this to accept British army, have to join the British army, but they have not joined the British army. As they have not joined the British army, they have started fighting the battles. Then after they have done friendly relationship with the Sikh king. As they have done friendly relationship with the Sikh king, yes, they also wanted to capture the Sikh kingdom. But as Maharaja Ranjit Singh was the powerful king, as he was the powerful king, so they have not. Then also they have kept their relationship, friendly relationship with Maharaja Ranjit. After his, as he was strong ruler, after he has set up a strong army, they were with the help of European officers and protect the state. Then after his death, Punjab was suffer anarchy, means without a government. Then at that time, Governor General Sir Henry came to India. So yes, for what you are doing this activity, should I remove you from the lecture? In every lecture, every teacher schools you. Now you will be removed. And after this, the policy of annexation was started. At that time, Dalhousie was the Governor General after Wellesley. Wellesley, after his policy, Dalhousie has given his policy that is annexation. They were most of the state has accepted. Then they became friends with us. With the absence, they were started interfering in internal and external matters. Yes, at that time now, these Indian rulers were trapped away. As they were trapped away, British got an excuse, so they started interfering in internal affairs. Yes, this way, putting an end to anarchy. Then they have started ruling in Burma, then regions of Punjab. Why they have captured Punjab? Because the king was dead without his son. Then after he has started ruling in Jhansi, Nagpur. Yes, Dalhousie aimed that now Britishers earning huge profits in the trade of tea, coffee, and cotton by capturing these areas. As their ruling was smoothly and running administration was smoothly, Dalhousie has introduced first railway line between Mumbai and Thane in 1853. Modern postal system was started, wireless system was started between India and England. This way, they have passed the law to ban child marriage and widow remarriage. English education was spread away. Three universities were started, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata, and this way they expand British rule and started their administration. As Indian benefited also and suffer a lot with the British reform. Clear over here, we have completed our chapter. Any doubts?
No doubt.